This video demonstrates a key new feature of CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence, the Rules Builder. CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence allows you to create and manage rules using the Rules Builder, now a part of the Appliance Controller user interface. Catherine, a system administrator, wants to change the conditions under which a particular kind of alert is triggered in CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence. She has heard about the new Rules Builder and is eager to find out how to set up a new rule. Peeking over her shoulder, we see that she clicks the main menu of the Appliance Controller, followed by Configuration and Rules Builder. She clicks Add Rule. She gives the rule a name and types a description for the rule. She leaves the rule's status toggled to Enabled. Now she clicks the plus sign to begin entering the conditions for the rule. She decides to set anomaly score to a value greater than 90. She sets the next condition to ZOS system, sets the operator to is, then clicks the list icon to get a list of available ZOS systems. She sets this value to any, so that any ZOS system is covered by the rule. These first two conditions, anomaly score and ZOS system, are both required. For the last condition, she clicks plus and adds a metric for the attribute. Then clicks the list icon. This time she uses the search feature to make finding the metric a little easier. She wants CPU % for the metric. She ends by clicking Save to save the rule. The result? A rule the conditions of which are met when the anomaly score is greater than 90 for any ZOS system for the metric type CPU %. For more information on the Rules Builder and all the new features of CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence, see the online documentation at techdocs.broadcom.com.